Welcome to the Nourish program. In this video, we will learn all about reading a nutrition label. Understanding what to look for on nutrition label can provide valuable information about which food items to purchase at the grocery store and how much of that item to prepare at home. The nutrition label can be a little overwhelming because it contains a lot of information. Let's discuss what to look for when reading a label when it comes to controlling blood sugar. Let's take a look at this label as an example. First, let's start with serving size. It's good to know what the serving size of an item is so you have an idea of how much to eat. You can find the serving size information at the top of the label. All of the nutrition information is determined by the serving size. For example, on this label here, the serving size is 1 cup. This means that 1 cup of this item contains 52 grams total carbohydrate, 1 gram dietary fiber, and 13 grams of added sugar. Let's say you decide to eat 2 cups. That means that you would be consuming double the amount represented on the label. 104 grams total carbohydrates, 2 grams dietary fiber, and 26 grams of added sugar. You can find how many carbohydrates are in an item by looking at total carbohydrate on the label. Once you have a goal of how many carbohydrates you want to consume per meal, this makes it easy to decide how much of a food item to consume. For example, if your goal is to consume 50 grams of carbohydrates, then eating 1 cup of this food item keeps you within your goal, as long as you are not consuming something else that also contains carbohydrates. However, if your goal is to consume 30 grams of carbohydrate per meal, you can still have this product, but a smaller portion, say half of a cup, to reach that goal. You may be wondering why the label says total carbohydrates and not just carbohydrates. This is because there are different types of carbohydrates in food, and this number is a sum of all those carbohydrates added together. The two most important components that are part of the total carbohydrate number are fiber and added sugar. We know that sugar affects our blood sugar differently than fiber. Knowing to look at both sugar and fiber when looking at the label can give you an idea of how much that product will affect the blood sugar. The label tells us how much added sugar is in a product. We want to limit the amount of added sugar we consume per day. The label also tells us how much fiber is in a product. We all want to consume more fiber. Let's take a look at our example. This product, per 1 cup, has 52 grams of carbohydrate. Of those 52 grams, 1 gram is coming from fiber and 13 grams are coming from added sugar. It seems that this product is really high in added sugar and low in fiber, so this product has a potential to spike blood sugar levels. Let's look at our other label example. If we eat 1 cup of this item, we will consume 44 grams carbohydrate. Of those 44 grams carbohydrate, 10 grams are coming from fiber and 0 grams are coming from added sugar. So let's say you're comparing these two labels at the grocery store. Which item would you choose? Right, this box with more fiber and less added sugar is going to result in a better blood sugar reading than the other one which has less fiber and more added sugar. Thank you for watching.